Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that ClipX token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, ClipX is a social FI project built on BNB chain that turns the X timeline into a crypto trading terminal. It connects social FI and DFI by bringing AI powered profile labels, real-time intelligence, and a one-click token trading without leaving X. ClipX 5 core features are identity label, Grok AI scan X profiles and assign instant trust labels, profile intelligence, smart follower scoring, popularity score, and sentiment analysis beyond just follower count, deduct cash tag and contact addresses in the feed with live prices, swap via PancakeSwap without leaving X, send tips, send BNB to any X user in one click, no pre-registration needed to receive. AI design engine analyzes BNB chain protocols and generate ready to share visuals and captions. ClipX token total supply is not showing yet, and circulating supply is 1 billion ClipX token. ClipX token is listed on PancakeSwap, KCX, and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 65% chances that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.